Hey, James from Nature Spy, and this is the Browning Recon Force Elite HP5. This is a new camera for 2022, and it's a big step forward for Browning. There's lots of new features on this camera which weren't present on the previous version, the Recon Force Elite HP4. There's a new lens housing with a much bigger lens, which gives a much crisper performance, especially at night. There's an extra LED, so there's 5 in total. That's why they call it HP5, which again gives a much improved night performance, really crisp and clear imagery at night in black and white. You've still got the same kind of 2-inch colour screen and nice easy to use buttons and interface as well. The camouflage is improved too, so it's a much darker green, much more suitable for the UK and, to be honest, most areas around the world. Things like the battery tray are still there, nice and easy to use as well. And the video quality is stepped on a little bit further, so you get crispness not only at night, which I've mentioned, but also the daytime as well, has taken just that nice little improvement as well. Audio is improved, the trigger times have improved as well, which is always welcome. And this new lens also gives a slightly wider aspect, which it's not too far, it's just about right. It's about 52, 53 degrees, which gives a much more natural aspect when you're camera trapping, especially in places like forests as well. We think it's probably the best trail camera we've seen on the market, especially at this price, and especially if you're after the highest end video quality you can get. It's hard to look past the Recon Force Elite HP5.